What is synastry in astrology? Have you ever wondered how astrology can help us understand our relationships better? Let's dive into the concept of synastry, which is all about comparing the birth charts of two or more people to see how they interact. Synastry is essentially the art of relationship astrology. It involves overlapping one person's natal chart with another's to analyze how their individual energies interact. This method is often used to understand romantic relationships, but it can also be applied to friendships, family dynamics, or even professional relationships. When you compare two natal charts, you're looking at how the positions of the planets and signs in one chart interact with those in the other. For example, if one person's Venus, the planet associated with love and relationships, forms a harmonious aspect with another person's Mars, the planet associated with energy and passion, it could indicate a strong attraction and compatibility between them. To read a synastry chart, you need to pay attention to several key elements. First, look for conjunctions, which are when planets from the two charts are close to each other. These conjunctions can signify a combination of energies and how the views of the two individuals might align. Next, consider the angles and any overlap of signs between the charts. Angles, such as the ascendant or rising sign, are important because they hold a lot of energy and can influence how the two people interact. For instance, if one person's ascendant is conjunct with the other person's Neptune, it could indicate a deep emotional connection. Houses in the chart are also crucial. They show where each person places their energy and how that might align or conflict with the other person. For example, if one person has a stellium, a cluster of planets, in their ninth house and this overlaps with the other person's 12th house, it could affect how they react to each other based on their inherent tendencies. The Moon, Venus, and Mars are particularly important planets to examine in synastry. The Moon can indicate emotional comfort and compatibility, Venus can show the attraction and love dynamics, and Mars can reveal the energy and passion levels in the relationship. Synastry also involves looking at the aspects between the planets. For instance, a trine aspect between Venus and Mars can indicate a smooth and harmonious relationship, while a square aspect might suggest more tension and conflict. In addition to these elements, progressed synastry charts can provide a more current view of how the relationship is evolving. These charts take into account the growth and changes each person has undergone since their birth. So, synastry is a powerful tool for understanding how two people might interact and what strengths and challenges their relationship might face. It's not a prediction of the future, but rather a guide to help you navigate your relationships more effectively.